weeks and we still ain't making no headway. Everybody having a hard time getting in. You can see the water. The wind is really howling. Alright, so one tug isn't enough. We brought in another. Alright, little trivia for you. Baby, explain the salt and pepper shakers to me.
Well, here's something we just learned on this ship. The salt always goes to the front of the ship, and the pepper always goes to the back of the ship. All the tables are set up like this on the ship.
So if you ever get lost and you don't know which way is forward, follow the salt.
Follow the salt.
Alright, there's Terry. She's fixing to get on the elevator. There she goes. Bye, baby. There she goes. And here comes my baby. Uh-oh. Held up. Making our way off the ship in Nassau, our unscheduled stop.
Unscheduled. Keep going. Keep going, love.
Yeah, okay.
And we are now down on deck 0. Make our way off.
Why? He doesn't know.
Nobody's there, ma'am.
Thank you.
That's why. I wasn't
The card is not working, sir. When you go back in, visit the guest services and get
This
the
is the
card.
third
No, it's
time.
okay. I'm very sorry. I have met sometimes
Hey.
that happen. It's okay. What is your name, Patrick?
Patrick.
Yeah. You good, sir?
Okay. Am I having trouble getting back on?
Your picture never comes up.
Yep. Yep. But yep, my picture was there. Alright. Welcome to Nassau. Alright, it's like a hurricane here. It is very windy. Alright, we'll be back with you when we go here.
Max is going to be editor now. Or producer. I don't know the difference. I'm just taking a break.
right, here we are in Nassau, an unscheduled stop. So,
It's a beautiful day, but it's a little bit windy here. We're gonna stop and have a drink.
and then it's back to the ship
Back to the ship. Party of two cruising.
for free drinks.
Free drinks.
Have a great day. All right, for you people that are just wondering what they're doing here with Nassau with all the construction, that is what the future Nassau port is going to look like. And have a little restaurant down there in the left corner. Then naturally your ships, and then your street where all the bars and shops are located. Coming in 2022, so they say. That's why my name is Patrick. Back on board.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. See the pirate ship out there, Mom?
Could have went back on that one, but apparently y'all want to go up this one. But it does say welcome back. Welcome back. Alright, Max has got some cookies, some yogurt, and then he's going to get pizza and then more yogurt and probably more cookies, as Terry has cookies, red velvet cake. How is it?
It's very, very good. The cookies are. The cake, not so much.
Not so good. Alright, we've heard reports that all the cake is dry. Alright, something's wrong here. This is the can that we got. This is her glass. This is my glass. How does that work, Terry?
You poured it.
Full time.
Out on the side deck, and we're loving it.
Alright, there goes the first Royal Caribbean ship. Freedom of the seas. The other side of our ship is the independence of the seas. Pretty cool right there. Disney has lights below the waterline, which is pretty awesome. And then we have our tugboat on standby. We are about halfway by. Little missus got chicken and spaghetti. I got fish. And Max got house shocker. Alright. We got fruit plate. Cooked pineapple. Actually very good. Max ice cream. Alright, time for a little music. Music. Little Led Zeppelin.
In tree by the brook, there's a songbird who sings. Sometimes all of our thoughts are misgiven.